back to my channel. My name is Pam. If you're new to my channel, make sure you join the team, subscribe down below and press the bell thing so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. So in this video I have this hair over here from blackhairspray.com. These wigs were actually on sale, and this is a synthetic wig over here. And you guys, I am in love with this hair. I love it, I love it. So if you want to see how I customized it and styled it, stay tuned and keep watching. So I'm just gonna show you guys how the unit comes. This is how it comes. It is so pretty, you guys, and this is the color 1B if I'm not mistaken. So the parting is like that, and this is how it looks like inside. And it comes with 2 combs on the front and 1 comb and this strap where you pull and just fix it up so that it stays in place. So I'm just gonna customize it. It doesn't need much, like it doesn't need me to do much, but I'm just gonna show you guys how it's gonna turn out on my hair. So I already laid out my edges, and I'm just gonna put some foundation so that it blends with my skin tone and just customize the wig. You know what I'm saying? So let's get into it. I said it's in the color 1B, but it's actually in the color 1. So this is how the model looks on the wig. And back here you have like all the instructions on how to wash and style and the hair products that you're supposed to use, and the wig storage. So I'm just gonna cut this out of the wig so that we work with the wig like properly, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna come back while I have cut the wig and you see how it looks. Not exactly my skin tone, so I'm just gonna put some foundation over there, like on the parting, because this is how it looks inside. It doesn't have like much space on the front, so you only have one option of parting your hair. So I'm just gonna put some foundation over there, or you can put some concealer or whatever works for you. I'm gonna put some foundation and some powder on top of it. So just gonna do that, just a little foundation. I'm using some Maybelline foundation that I always use.